One of the most buzzworthy topics of the last few years is how much companies have tried to bring the fingerprint scanner to the display. If you've been following the Pocketnow Daily, you'll know how much Apple and Samsung have worked hard with Synaptics to figure this out, and still no dice. 2018 seems to be the year though, but this time on the hands of Vivo. Reporting from CES 2018, this is Jaime Rivera and Jules Wong for Pocketnow, and let's go hands-on. Vivo may not have much popularity in the West, but back in China, the company is huge. Oh, and if you feel that the Vivo unnamed smartphone looks a lot like the OnePlus 5T or the Oppo R11s, well, that's because they sort of share the same parent company. Really, to tell them apart, you'd have to notice the gold accents on the chamfers of the chassis and the most important of all party tricks. Synaptics has finally figured out how to fit an optical sensor between the PCB and the OLED panel. Using a macro lens, you actually are able to see the sensor hiding below the unlit panel. It is persistently active though, so you can press it just like you would on any Galaxy flagship, and you actually don't see the sensor once the display lights up. The result is the phone turning on the display and the sensor using the light of the OLED panel to capture your biometric data to unlock. I was actually expecting this to be far slower than competing devices, but it's not. I'd say it's comparable when it comes to speed at least. Obviously, not everything is perfect. Those of you that were wanting for the sensor to work across the display won't really get that. The area of recognition is around 5.8 by 5.8 millimeters, which is no less than the current fingerprint scanner on any other device, so I'm not really going to dog them for this. You also have to press the area on the screen with intent for the feature to work, as opposed to other devices where you only touch the sensor and the display unlocks. And then there's the fact that it failed to recognize my thumb a few times during my testing, though that could be given the stage of production of this demo unit that we've got to see. Cons aside, what's most important is that Synaptics has finally figured it out. It's hard to predict if we'll see products with this feature in the near future, but we're hoping that at least a few 2018 flagships take advantage. While that happens, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more CES 2018 coverage. You can follow Jules at PointJules on Twitter and follow me at Jaime_Rivera or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon with more.